Hi, I am Jan Marie Blanco and I am a Globalian. I recommend GIC because here, the students are given enough courage to show what they can do. There is no limit in learning and showcasing talents and creativity. In GIC, there is family. Students will hold each other and stay beside each other till they reach the top.
Hi, my name is Alcina Destala and I'm a Globalian. In GIC, they gave me the most memorable teachers that I also consider as my treasure. They are always there to support us whenever we want or need something, and also they guided us along the journey of being a senior high school student. The way they treated us here in GIC made us feel like we have a brother, sister, or the coolest teacher here in GCIC.
Hi, my name is Maria Pauline Canto and I'm proud that I am a Globalian. Global Innovative College has imparted me many things and it brings out the best and worst in me. It also helped me enhance my skills, and one of the best skills that GIC have imparted me is being a globally competitive student. And by that, I can truly say that I am #Ibang Klase.
Vince Cruz, and I am a Globalian. My passion runs for music, and I would like to share it to everybody. As a Globalian myself, the teachers and the students did boost my confidence and improve my potential. And I really guarantee, no lies, no jokes, it is one of the best experiences I've had in this school. And it is truly unforgettable, and I might say it is a certified #Ibang Klase experience.
Hi, I'm Catherine K.A. Perez and I'm a Globalian. I chose academic track, specifically STEM strand, because I already have a diminutive background about it. And also, the college course that I will be taking is under this strand. Here in GIC, the STEM students are engaged in well-designed laboratory experiences that develops our problem-solving and critical thinking skills.
Hi, I'm Ashley Bratanya and I'm a Globalian. My greatest achievement so far here in GIC was when I became a short film director. I didn't expect that I'll do good or even do something that can make it a beautiful film, since I have no experience at all in directing. I'm truly thankful to be part of that activity in GIC because it didn't just mold my skills, but I also discovered new things to try and what more can I do after I step out from my comfort zone. I really learned a lot from that.
Hi, I'm Samantha Alivio and I'm a Globalian. I would recommend GIC, for it is not a simple and common school. GIC is #Ibang Klase indeed. The 3D educational system really helped me as a student and as an individual. Discover, develop, and direct. GIC helped me to discover my abilities and capabilities as a student and most especially as a leader. GIC worked with me hand in hand to develop my skills. And today, I am in the process of directing, for I won as a GIC Global Supreme Student Association President.